Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can create a personal balance sheet in Excel, so let's get started. First, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. On the home screen, click New, then in the search bar type Balance Sheet and press Enter. You'll see ready-made balance sheet templates. If you want to use one, select it and click Create. But if you want to make it from scratch, click Blank Workbook. Now, in the first column, type your assets. These include things like cash, bank balance, investments, property, and vehicles. In the next column, enter the value of each asset. Below that, use the sum formula to total your assets. Type =sum B2, B6 and press Enter. Next, leave a little space and create a section for liabilities. These include things like loans, credit card balances, and mortgage. Again, write their values in the next column and use the sum formula to calculate your total liabilities. Now, at the bottom, create a simple formula to calculate your net worth. Type total assets, total liabilities. Excel will automatically calculate your personal balance, showing how much your assets exceed your debts. To make it look neat, use bold headers, currency formatting, and color highlights for sections. You can also insert a small chart to visualize your assets versus liabilities. And that's it. Now you know how to create a personal balance sheet in Excel easily to track your finances and net worth. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.